Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I am here for your entertainment pleasure. But if you can get past that point, there's some really good movement in here for you. Although you're probably gonna laugh when you see it, but there's some good movement in here for you. All right, so we are going to rock in such a way that it lengthens our hamstrings and just makes them feel good. We're gonna give our hamstrings some attention. And all we're gonna do, put one foot out so we're flat on the bottom of our foot. This foot's back behind us. Kind of looks like we're lunging, half kneeling. And we're gonna put our hand on the ground, gonna rock forward, mobilize that foot, and then when we rock back, we're going to sink down beside our leg. So when you sink down, there's your hamstring. Now we've done something similar to this before, but this is a great way to loosen up and give your hamstrings some love. Feels kind of good. And you're gonna feel it more on the high side of your hamstring. This is, by the way, it's kind of like a hybrid of the Lego squat or the Lego rocking position. So you're really getting good mobilization on this foot. This back foot is also getting mobilized. It's just in plantar flexion. And then we're gonna switch. So we rock forward, and then we just sit back and sink below. You're trying to sink below your knee. And when you get lower in there, you'll feel that stretching, warming sensation. Sink a little bit. You can kind of rock and pry if you want. You can lengthen your spine in there if you want. Try to get low and long. It all adds emphasis to the hamstrings. Now, I bet you're wondering, well, that doesn't look all that funny. No, not yet. But you can do both legs at one time. And to do that, we're gonna do the rocking wheel. So we're gonna make a wheel out of our body. But really, so we're gonna put our feet together, and so we're gonna rock forward, and then you're gonna lift your butt, and then you're gonna try to sink down inside below your knees, just like you were a second ago, but now it's on 2 feet, and you rock forward. So it's a wheel. You're making a wheel, and by doing this, now you're stretching both hamstrings, opening up that squat a little bit. So while it may look funny, it feels kind of good if you like that stretching, lengthening sensation. And now we're mobilizing both feet, and we're trying to literally, if you have to use your imagination maybe, but you're just trying to sink down inside of your legs, and you'll feel those hamstrings lengthen. And that's it, guys. It's as funny as that, but it feels good. So that's a great way to rock. You can do one leg at a time. You can do both legs at a time. Similar but different. But it might be also beneficial to your squat and the rest of your life. Anyway, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength. That's our tip this week. We'll see you next time.